Wiring a detached garage isn't as simple as running an extension cord from your house. Start by listing everything you'll need to power, from lights and outlets to tools or even an EV charger. Check your local electrical code for rules on wire size, conduit, and GFCI protection. Underground conduit is usually safest and keeps things tidy. If you need several circuits, installing a subpanel makes future upgrades easier. Plan outlets and lighting carefully, and always use GFCI protection for safety. Most importantly, hire a licensed electrician to ensure everything is up to code and ready for whatever you add next.